Robot Remote Control by Hugo now. The goal. I was trying to make it go left and right and forward and backward. Design and build. I use an NXT and wires and a button. Program. I programmed it to go left and right and forward and backward. I had no problems. Demo. Thank you for watching. Here's my robot.
So can you explain to us what you're pressing and how does it work?
This is the forward and this is the backward. And this is the left and right kind of remote.
Okay.
And there's this, maybe if I see it, but this. I see it. Light sensor behind the left and right remote controller. So then when it sees just gray, it'll do nothing, but when it sees white, it'll go left, and then when it sees black, it'll go right.
Okay, perfect. Does anyone have any questions for him?
How did you build your code?
Wow, that's a very good one.
He built it in the next
By, I don't know.
It's okay.
Let's go for Lando. Doing the code, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Anyone else? You have a quick question?
How did you get it the wires to connect to the robot?
Okay, good job, doing it.
Yeah, you just connected it. All right, thank you guys. Let's give a round of applause. A round of applause.